You can help from teachers, but you are going to have to learn a lot by yourself, sitting in a room. Dr. Seuss. Hello, I'm Samuel Szymanski. I'm currently working at Lakeside Manufacturing in the parts department. I joined GPS to get a good reference for future jobs and learn useful skills. I've learned many important professional skills to help me in the future to work hard and take pride in my work. I have matured and learned a lot as a young adult and employee. My teachers showed me how to act more adult-like. At my time in GPS, I learned what career I wanted to pursue. I came into the program planning to do carpentry. Since then, I've started a job in manufacturing and would like to stay at Lakeside after graduation. For the time being, I plan to do research and figure out where to go next in my career path. What makes me different from other applicants is the 2-year experience as an apprentice for Lakeside. This opportunity has given me the chance to make mistakes, but more importantly, change them so I could be a more valuable employee to Lakeside. They've trained me themselves and see how I work under difficult times. I hope I've proven to be a good worker and they hire me after graduation. I would like to thank my family for helping me. My mother helped me with my blueprints and my sister helped with math. My teachers showed me an easier way to learn and provide me with the skills I'll need in the future. I'd also like to thank Lakeside Manufacturing for giving me an opportunity to work and gain experience. Lastly, though more importantly, a personal thank you to my supervisor, John, for teaching me and providing me with a fun work environment. It's been a great journey and I now have a future planned out and the tools to be successful. Thank you to Whitnall High School and Lakeside Manufacturing for seeing a valuable student apprentice.